Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com. This is the Alfa Romeo Giulia GTAJ 1972. Now, this is a nice car. I love these cars. These are cool. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Isn't that pretty looking? Now, this is a limited quantity. I only have about 6 or 7 of these. So this is a front wheel drive. Motors in the front. Wow, that's nice. Oh, you want to get this for your collection. I only have a limited number of these, so you better get them quick. Whoever gets them now. All right, that deserves to be opened. This is a nice car. We only got about 6 of them. I know. Why don't you get a little closer so that I can't see what I'm doing? Man, you've got issues. You know that? You really have issues. It looks like the tires are mounted front with a front axle unit. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's... You know what's so funny is that there's really not much to it. Boy, that's a motor and an axle right to the tire. I mean, nothing... Oh, look at that. Nothing to that baby, is there? You know, why can't we design... You know, why doesn't society design slot car track all over the world so that when we're driving our car, we get in it and we're like basically like on a slot. You know, the car is in a slot, just like the old things at Cedar Point. You know, the cars you drove, they were already in the slot, and you drive around, you set speed. You know, it's all electric. We don't have any worries about it. Okay, that was stupid. I don't know if I want to do that, but I just thought it'd be fun to say it. All right, so this is the Alfa Romeo Giulia GTAJ. I'm not very good at anyway, check out the front of that. Give them a good look at that baby. How beautiful that car looks. Look at that car. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the interior. Look at the strap on the back going all the way to the front. The rear tire. Look at that rear back here. Look at the bottom. Gives you nice detail. Check out that. Look inside of that baby. Look at that. Limited quantity. I only have limited quantities of these things. Pro Tinker Toys, ProTinkerToys.com. Okay. And that is the Alfa Romeo. Don't forget to like and subscribe at ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. And don't forget to give a thumbs up. And have a great day. Goodbye.